It's yet a couple days later now, and I wanted to show you more of the spring of 2023. The daffodils, they're done. So it just is going to be a nice green plant like that. But the hostas, I mean, look at that. This is twice the size it was a couple days ago. Easily twice the size. So things are doing well on their own, but it is time to get the hose reels charged up. So let's go do it. We'll head to the front. Well, that's a sight for sore eyes. Yeah. The old dead hose reel cart. Had a video on this called the Rant about hose reels. This and the one in the backyard. Looks like the birds have had a party on that. So that's great. I got to pull it out because that's the inlet for it up here, and I got to connect that to the faucet. So I don't know if it moves. It's got probably all 4 flat tires now. Definitely one definitely flat. There we are. 3 pine cones in there. I guess I'll get rid of those too while I'm at it. And I'm going to hook that up to the faucet, and I'm not going to show you that because otherwise you're going to watch nothing. All right, let's see. I have the hose hooked up. My shut off is off. I'll turn the water on now and see if it leaks at all. There it is. Oh yeah. It's pissing out right from there. Now I'm going to have to get some pliers on that. So let me tighten that up. Who says I don't have real tools? These are real vice grip pliers that were left behind by one of the pool dicks one year. So that's cool. Anyway, we're all set. Let me flip the screen around so I can see. Not really, but... And we'll get out my trusty old hose nozzle. Kept in the garage all this time. Screw that on. All right, reasonable. I'm going to crack this open just a bit, because this way it'll give us the best air sound. It comes out. No leaks elsewhere, but I don't think there's water there yet. Here we go. If the valve moves, there we are. No leaks yet. We're coming up. I hope you can see this. Getting close. A lot of hose to go through. Here we go. Leaking from the hose reel. I guess I don't really have this open much. Perhaps that's why it's taking so long. There is air coming out. It wasn't opening up. Oh, it's just blowing out of the hose reel. Just blowing out. This is leaking real good also, so that's good. We'll shut it off. That's leaking great. So that's good. I may have gotten some more O-rings, I forget. So I don't know if I'll ever revisit that. I mean, it works. I guess I could silicone it more. It works, but it's just, yeah. I'll show you over here the leakage. There he is there. Right where it always leaks from. Oh, another pine cone. That's the 8th one. That is the 8th one now. I have to throw that out. So yeah, it leaks from there. I've tried tightening that. It doesn't work. We could try that again. Whoop, get a grip on it. Yeah, it doesn't move. So yeah, it's good. It leaks perfectly like always. And when I put the water on, before it was just shooting out of there good. Let's try it. Yeah, I should really silicone this thing. It's squeaky. There he goes. Now he's dripping better. When I move it, yeah, look at that. So depending on the position, it leaks and other times doesn't. Yeah, that tire's real flat. Okay. That's it. That's where she sits. It's nice that it has wheels. It'd be nice if they worked, but then again, by the same token, where's it going? Because the leader hose on it is only like 6 foot long. So, yeah, that works good. Can we get rid of some of this goodness? Oh, yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's better. Okay. So there's that. So the front's working and leaking normally. I'll shut my little valve here. And with any luck, that'll be fine. So that's good. Now we'll go to the back. Alright, everything here is set. A lot of overgrownness, which just happened over the last 4 days, you know. That's squeaking nicely. Still got the hole in that. Same one that I've had forever. Sharky remembers when I got it. There's new perforations here. So when that breaks, then I got another one. Okay. Purple garlic hose to the rescue with a lot of shit on the threads, so that's handy. Okay, it's on. Put it there. Let me reconfigure the camera rated, and we'll try this out. So I had to put the water on for that China EPN Splash Pad thing, but I put it on one of the unused ports here. Need this one on. Oh yeah, that's stuck. Oh great. Oh yeah. Yeah. There he goes. And shut the one I used for the China thing off. Yeah. Come on. Really? There. Got it. Alright. Let's turn the water on. No leaks here yet. That's amazing. Little tiny bubbles. That's kind of a nifty pattern on the fence. I don't know why it's doing that. I guess I'll show you that. There's spots and the water does not. That's really weird. And if I spray it again, even hard, I don't know. Very interesting. Does this one do it? No. Not really. There's one little spot, I think, but that's it. Nothing to speak of there, just an odd whatever for no reason. Alright, well, it works. Let's see if we're leaking anywhere here. Put that garlic hose down. Nope, perfectly fine there. And for what you can see of this, no leaks at all. So that, oh, I was just going to shut it off. Actually, I can't do that because I need the hose now that it's charged up. But it's not leaking, that's the main thing. So China sent this grill cover. It definitely works. I forget what it's called. There's a link in the prescription. The birds found it. They like it. You could tell. What I do find is that when it rains, and it's more limited to this barbecue, is it kind of goes like this and you get water in there. Maybe I'll try to duplicate it. But for the meantime, let's pull it down. Otherwise, it seems to, I mean, it stayed on. It hasn't torn yet. That's got to be a record. So let's see if this will work. It did it itself. Cool. I guess we'll call that a win. And then we had more. Yeah. Oh, yeah. XJoe81 Expert was here, it seems. That's great. And here's some spray 4. It almost sprayed. There he goes. The straw is not in the right position. Oh, come on, man. Work with me here. Oh, it still won't be. Great. Well, I think we have enough crap on that. I have this old knackered scrub brush that will leave tons and tons of bristles around. Wow, that is just wearing down to nothing. Wow, I probably should just get rid of that. All right. That seemed to work. So let's spray that down. That's just fine. That's just perfectly fine right there. So that works. So the next time the environmentalists say plastic doesn't degrade, these are nylon, that's a type of plastic, and it breaks off into little bits, and those little bits go in the environment, and they break into tiny, tiny, tiny more little bits, as you see now on the mat, and those will break down further, further, further until we can't see them anymore. And then, like George Carlin said, it becomes a new euphemism, Earth plus plastic. We all know how the Rollomatic 5000 is going to do. There ain't no way that this is going to work. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Alright, that should be good. More crap here that I don't need. Okay. It's working? Seriously? Oh my God, it's working well. No way. Holy crap, look at it go. I don't know if I have this in frame, but it's taking it right down. No problem whatsoever. Oh, it stopped there. Wow, I am impressed. I can't believe that. I don't know if you saw any of that. Sorry if you didn't. But I'm getting attacked by berry plants. Anyway, a success. Oh yeah, you did see it. Cool. So that's good. I'll shut the water off back here because I ain't going to need it for another month. So no need to keep that on. But it looks like charging up the hose reels for 2023 was a success. Limited in the front, but that's, you can't polish a turd. Anyway, tons of links in the prescription. You can have fun watching. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click surprise. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.